Hi, today we're making AI images and turning them into videos, and it's 100% free. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the Grok Imagine website. I've put the link in the description below. Once you're there, click on Sign Up and choose your preferred method. I'll be signing up quickly using my Google account. After a successful sign-up, we'll be automatically redirected to the Grok Imagine main page. Take a look. You can browse some amazing samples that other users have already created. Now, let's create our own. In the prompt box, simply type a detailed description of the image you want. Once your prompt is ready, hit the Generate icon. And here are the images we just created. Grok will actually keep creating unlimited images as you scroll down, so keep going until you find one you love. Let's animate one of these. Click on the image you like, and then just click the Make Video button. After just a few seconds, we have our video, complete with sounds. You can easily download it by clicking the download icon here. Also, if you want to update your video or add any object, just type your change here and click the play button again. Here we got our updated video as well. And here's a bonus feature. We can also turn images created by others into videos. Go back to the home page and choose an image that catches your eye from the top samples. If you scroll down here, the platform will generate more images similar to that one until you're satisfied with a choice. Now, just like before, select an image, or keep the main one, and click on the Make Video button. The image will quickly be turned into a video. And again, if you want to update that video, simply type your update into the prompt box and click play. That's all there is to it. Now you can create amazing animated content for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.